My name's Chef Jean-Paul Bourgeois. I'm in Brooklyn, New York, and I'm cooking with content creator extraordinaire, Steffi DeGraff.
Thanks for having me.
Griddling 101 right here. Tabasco pimento cheese and bacon green onion omelet.
Yum.
First things first, we gotta get the bacon cooking.
Love that noise.
Dreams are made of that noise. Remember, we have this beautifully browned, crisp bacon. Next, we got a cup of cheddar cheese, American cheese, mayonnaise, pimento peppers, grain mustard, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco pepper sauce, a couple little dashes in there. If you like it a little spicier, a little bit more. Okay, that's perfect. Green onions, nice little sprinkle there. The moment of truth. You think I can do it?
I believe in you.
I'm a little nervous. And that pimento cheese and how that Tabasco just sings with it.
It just adds an extra dimension.
And that's how you make a Tabasco spiked pimento cheese omelet. When you're cooking indoor and outdoor, please tag Tabasco in your posts.
And make sure to use the hashtag #FlavorYourWorld.